5 days, some of the senior boys not played any cricket and some younger one who played cricket. So it was specific for those two departments. So for senior ones to get the balance right, to make sure the feet is in the right place. And now next we can put the intensity up, which I'm very happy the way they're batting now. And with the younger one who played Mushtaq Ali, those tournaments, they're already in good shape. So they can go to next level to try explore different area. But again, important thing is with those boys also to get in a good balance and good shape. And we've got a good team, Kingy and Tommy, which they look after their body and fitness. And thanks to CSK, they organize a good 15 bowlers for the practice, which is helping a lot. MS is, you know how smart he is. He understands his body, he understands his game. You won't see not too many 40 years old man accessing ball that clearly, which is great to see, and his determination. You can see every session he's coming with certain specific plan and he's working on it. So we're just trying to figure out to get the best out of him.
It's always hard to start off after a break because from Mushtaq Ali, not played much cricket. It's been like a month and a half. So it takes about 6 to 7 sessions to get back into that rhythm and also to understand where I need to be, because we all understand where we need to be, but where we are right now is most important realization. So it is like more of an knowing where my game is at the moment.
With Raidu, he's a beautiful timer of the cricket ball. So start with, I don't want him to rush. So idea is to get ready before, so he can target those areas and body will get used to it. And once he get going, he's a dangerous player. Every player is different and their skill set is different. So we are monitoring everything, where they at and where they need to be in a month's time before IPL.